The Sony FX2 is a professional full-frame camera from Sony's cinema line, designed specifically for filmmakers and content creators who need a balance between professional cinema features and a compact, portable body. Here is the introduction to its key specifications and features. The higher pixel count allows for 7K oversampling, which results in incredibly sharp 4K footage. It offers 15+ stops of latitude, meaning you can recover details from the brightest skies and the darkest shadows in post-production. This engine allows for high-speed data readout, minimizing rolling shutter, the jelly effect, during fast pans. Unlike the video-centric 12MP sensor of the FX3, the 33MP sensor allows you to capture professional-grade high-resolution still images while still providing elite video quality. The camera records 4K video by sampling data from a 7K area of the sensor. This results in significantly sharper footage with less noise compared to standard 4K sensors. It offers 15+ stops of dynamic range when shooting in S-Log3, ensuring that even in high-contrast outdoor lighting, your highlights aren't blown out and your shadows retain detail. This is the secret sauce of the Sony cinema line. It provides soft colors and beautiful, natural skin tones without the need for complex color grading. This allows the camera to record over 1 billion colors, which is essential for professional color grading and avoiding banding in skies or gradients. It features a dual base ISO, allowing you to switch to a higher sensitivity, ISO 4000, for clean, noise-free footage in low-light environments. When using compatible Sony lenses, the camera digitally corrects the zoom effect that happens when you change focus, keeping your framing perfectly still. It identifies humans, animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, and airplanes. The AI can detect a person's skeleton. If a subject turns away or is momentarily blocked by a tree or another person, the camera stays locked onto their position because it understands their movement. Ideal for solo vloggers, the camera can automatically crop in and follow you as you move within the frame, making it appear as though you have a live camera operator. One of the biggest upgrades is the built-in OLED electronic viewfinder that tilts upward. This is a game-changer for videographers who prefer eye-level shooting in bright sunlight. A built-in silent fan pulls heat away from the sensor. This guarantees unlimited 4K recording times without the risk of the camera overheating and shutting down. It features multiple recording lights on the front, back, and top, so both the operator and the talent know exactly when the camera is rolling. The body has 5 January 4, 20 UNC threaded holes, allowing you to screw in accessories like monitors or wireless transmitters without needing a heavy metal cage. It is compatible with the XLR-H1 top handle, giving you 2 full-sized XLR inputs for professional microphones and 4-channel audio recording. 2 slots that accept both SD UHS-2 and CFexpress Type A cards. CFexpress is recommended for high bitrate recording and fast data offloading. It uses a standard HDMI Type A port, providing a much more secure and durable connection for external monitors or recorders than micro HDMI. It uses a 33.0 megapixel exmor RBSI CMOS sensor. While the FX3 is 12MP, built for low light, the FX2's 33MP sensor provides much higher detail for both 4K video and professional-grade photography. It supports DCI 4K, 4096 by 2160, the true cinema standard, at up to 60 frames per second, in Super 35 mode, and 30 frames per second, full frame. This records a massive amount of color data, which is essential if you want to color grade or edit the look of your video later without the image breaking apart. For maximum flexibility in professional editing, Sony's famous color profile that gives you beautiful skin tones and a soft, cinematic look straight out of the box. You can output a massive 16-bit raw signal to an external recorder, like an Atomos. For Hollywood-level quality, it can identify and track humans, animals, birds, insects, cars, and even airplanes. It even understands human skeletons, so if a person turns around, the camera still knows exactly where their head is. If the camera is on a tripod, the AI can crop in and follow you as you move, making it look like you have a professional cameraman moving the lens for you. This is a huge upgrade. Unlike the FX3, The FX2 has a high-res, 3.68 million viewfinder that can tilt up to 90 degrees. This is perfect for shooting in bright sun where the back screen is hard to see. It has a built-in silent fan. This allows for unlimited 4K recording up to 13 hours in some tests, without the camera ever getting too hot. It is compatible with the XR-H1 handle, allowing you to record 4-channel, 24-bit professional audio with high-end microphones. It uses the large, sturdy HDMI port, not the tiny fragile micro ones found on many small cameras. It features ISO 800 and ISO 4000 as its base sensitivities for S-Log3. This allows you to shoot in very dark environments with minimal digital noise. This profile provides the Cine Alta look used in Sony's Venice, with soft colors and natural skin tones straight out of the camera. The camera recognizes human skeletons and can track a person even if they turn around or their face is obscured. Advanced tracking for animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, and airplanes. When on a tripod, the camera can automatically crop and pan to follow a subject, simulating a real camera operator for solo creators. Unique to the FX2 in the cinema line, it features a 3.68 million EVF that can tilt from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. This is essential for shooting in bright daylight where an LCD screen might be washed out. Like its bigger brothers, it has an active cooling system that allows for unlimited 4K recording without overheating. Front and rear recording lights ensure both the filmmaker and the talent know when the camera is live. No fragile micro HDMI ports here. It uses a standard, secure HDMI connection for external monitors or 16-bit RAW output.